Using S3 Fox Organizer is a great way to manage your files within your Amazon S3 account. In this video, you're going to learn how to share your buckets, folders, and files with other Amazon S3 account holders. And I'm sure that after watching this video, you will more than likely see several possibilities on how this feature can work with and improve your particular business model. Now we've got our T's crossed and our I's dotted. We've got our S3 Firefox Organizer set up with our Amazon S3 account. We've gone over creating buckets and folders and files and assigning permissions to those so that every Tom, Dick, and Harry in the world can have access to our videos or downloads and so on. Now in this video, we're going to cover how to provide access or share our buckets with other S3 account holders. And we had gone over an example or a business model in a prior video using a different third-party tool. Well, we're going to stick with that because it's simple and easy to understand. So as a membership site owner, typically what happens is we create a product or we acquire a product and we upload it to our server or S3 account, generate URLs, provide those URLs to our members who then download them, do whatever they do to them, and then they upload them to their server or S3 account and then pass those URLs on to their customers and so on and so on and so on. In this case, what we're going to do by sharing the buckets with other S3 account holders, or in this case, our customers, we're going to eliminate a few of those steps and thus save some money for both us and our customers. And you know, a penny saved is a penny earned. So let's go ahead and first off create a bucket. Now this is our customer, okay? And again, this can be repeated for our customers' customers and so on and so on. So now we're going to go ahead and create the bucket so that our membership site owner has a place to upload those products to on our site being the customer site. So let's go with, let's say b1.member.owner. And let's see if anybody's got that. Okay, nope, it's globally unique and evidently fell within all the other rules. Now we want to assign permissions. Now to do this, we need, as mentioned in the prior video using the other third-party tool, same thing, we need to have a member ID or user ID of the person's Amazon S3 account or the email that they use to access their Amazon S3 account. And we do that through the editing of the ACL. So you can right click here, then left click on edit ACL, or again you could use this icon up here. In either case, we get here. Now we need to share. And to do that, we just click on that, and whichever item you have, we're going to go with the email address. You simply enter it in here, and we just paste it in there, click on OK. Then we want to assign the permissions, and don't forget, if we're going to have them uploading information there, we got to have them the ability to write into that bucket. Otherwise, if this is the only one that's checked, then they're only going to be able to read what is already in there, and of course it'll probably be empty, so that ain't going to do them no good. Anywho, you go on down here. Oh, and by the way, you just click on this when you're getting tired of them and kick them to the curb. Click on OK. All should be right with the world. Now then, with this bucket, we need to write down the name here, because this is the bucket we're going to access through that particular account. Let us now go to that particular account. This is the membership site owner's account. Now then we need to access that bucket so we can upload all of these videos and graphics and software and everything to their account. And that was, if I remember correctly, b1.mbbbbbb, is that right? Oops, .owner, and you got to put the / at the end or it's not going to work for you. And then hit enter, and it's empty. Well, let's see if it works. Then we just select the file or files we're going to be uploading. Come on over here. Of course, you can left click, hold, and drag it in, or you just click on this, and depending upon whichever one you're going to be choosing, right now we're just sticking with this guy here. Left click, see the progress here. Bing, bang, boom, all is right with the world. Now this is in the customer's account. This is in the customer's S3 account. Keep in mind too, since this is in their S3 account, that you are not paying for the storage of this because it is not on your S3 account. That's another advantage for you. So you want to keep that in mind as far as providing this information to your customers. It's convenient for them and it's cost savings for you. Now, myself, as a backup procedure, I would have this stuff on my S3 account anyway. just in case, again, from the customer's standpoint, in case a customer happens to have a hard drive crash or meltdown, computer blow up, whatever, that you still have this information backed up, that it's solid somewhere, so that at some point down the line in the future, a particular customer that paid for this needs it again, you got it to give them. So again, that anyway, just additional information. Now, let's back up and go ahead and check out the customers bucket and see if it's there. And that was this one here. And there it is. That, sir, is how, and ma'am, how you can provide access or share access to your bucket for your customers, for anybody else that you assign permissions to. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on sharing access to your buckets through S3 Firefox Organizer. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.